In today's unprecedented time, I thought it will be a good idea to prepare some sort of emergency kit whenever you want to step out. Welcome to another session of my channel Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. It's been almost 3 weeks for me since I have stepped out. Eventually, we all have to step out for grocery or going to the pharmacy or any other essential item, because at that time, we don't want to be running around looking for things. So it's a good idea to keep everything in one place. So let me show you what are those essential items that I have put together, and I hope this will help you as well. My COVID-19 emergency kit. I'm going to place each item and then explain to you why I'm carrying these items with me. A pack of tissue, it'll be nice to have one. A Purell hand sanitizing wipe, which is always essential during this time. A pack of vitamin C electrolyte. It's a good immune booster, and also you can mix it in your water bottle and ready to go. A band-aid just in case when you're grocery shopping, and as vulnerable as you are right now, you don't want to have any other infection. So it's always good to keep a band-aid with you. And a pack of wipes. And this one is a rain poncho. If you feel there's plenty of people around, and if you're not comfortable in the grocery store, it's always a good idea to wear this rain poncho and then dispose it off right away after your grocery shopping. How to make a quick This is a bandana, and I have already pre-made a face mask out of it, and I thought this will be a great item to carry on when you want to step out. I have this pair of gloves. I have vinyl gloves. Some people may be allergic to latex gloves, so be mindful of that. I was looking for all those items, whatever I have in hand to utilize to make a face mask. I found this. This is an unused socks, and this is just simply straight. And in case you want an extra protection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this paper towel. This paper towel I am folding in half, and I am going to put this paper towel in between this socks and just attach rubber band and make a quick face mask for myself while doing grocery. This one is a scarf, it's a small scarf. Inside the scarf, I have already pre-made a face mask using this paper towel, simply with, using the rubber band. And you can simply dispose this paper towel and wash your scarf right away after coming back. And I have another brilliant idea. When you cannot find anything, you don't need to sew anything, and you don't have rubber band in hand, but if you have an eye mask I'm telling you, it is a brilliant idea. You can simply use the eye mask. Instead of covering your eyes, you can just cover your mouth, and that's what I had. And when I saw this, I was really excited because I don't need anything else. During emergency, all I have to do is cover my face, cover my mouth using this instead of my eyes. So this is how I'm going to be using it. I really thought this is a brilliant idea. If you have an eye mask, use that as a face mask. Instead of covering your eyes, just cover your mouth and you're ready to go. You don't have to sew anything. You don't need rubber band. All you have to do is just make sure that this is on top of your ear. That's all. That's all you need. And last but not least, we all need to protect our lips. So I'm packing a lip balm. When we are outside, we are constantly covering our mouth, and it will be a good idea in case your lips are dry from covering, and it will be a good idea to pack a lip balm with yourself. So these are all my essential items that I have prepared. Please leave a comment saying what else would you be including. I'm going to put all these items in my kit before I forget. Now, not only me, but you can have a COVID-19 emergency home kit as well. Please subscribe and share my video so that many of you can benefit from this idea. Please stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, think healthy, wear a smile, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.